Akash Manna. I am studying in BSc in HNS. Today we are making chickpeas pizza. So let's start.
For that we need following ingredients. We have the chickpeas batter, we have some rice flour, we have the tomato concasse, we have cheese, we have lots of vegetables, we have seasoning, and we have some lettuce for garnish. So we'll start. First we'll make the batter. We'll use little bit of baking powder as well. Spoon, take the spoon. For the base, now start mixing. Put some rice flour. Put some water. We put some chickpeas mixture. We put some salt. We put some oregano. We'll put some pepper. A little more of water. A little bit of baking powder. We can put some oil in it so that it doesn't stick. Mix. We'll keep it aside for some time. We'll put some oil. We have to quick saute the vegetables, the bell peppers, juliennes, and the onion roundels. We'll add some salt, we'll add some pepper. When it is sauteed well, now you can put it down here. Now you take that pan and heat it a little bit. Now we'll pour the batter gently in the pan. To reduce the temperature so that it doesn't get burned, and we need to close the lid for some time. This chickpeas pizza dough is ready. Now we'll put it in the baking tray and we'll bake. This is tomato concasse which we have prepared. This is made with blanched tomato, garlic and celery. Cheese. Put the vegetables, arrange the vegetables. Put some chicken. is ready. Now we will put this in the oven.
Now we have put the pizza 200 centigrade for 5 minutes.
Now the pizza is ready. We will cut the pizza. Chickpeas pizza can be a wonderful addition to your meal as because it is very healthy. Chickpeas contains a lot of protein and a lot of carbohydrate, so it can add on to the complete nutrition of the body.
So our dish is ready. Do try at home and let us know how you like it.
Thank you.